Best Sport Touring Motorcycle Honda CB650R. Honda Motor Company is shaking up the sport touring segment with its reimagined CB650R, a model that marries urban sophistication with the practicality and performance demanded by long-distance riders. Traditionally celebrated for its raw power and agile handling, the latest CB650R has been fine-tuned to excel in the sport touring arena, quickly earning accolades as one of the best motorcycles in its class. At the heart of the CB650R is a robust 649 cubic centimeters inline-four engine that delivers an engaging blend of smooth power and responsive acceleration. Designed to conquer both winding country roads and bustling highways, the engine's linear torque and refined power delivery ensure that every ride is not only thrilling but also comfortable over extended distances. Honda's engineering prowess shines through as the motorcycle adapts effortlessly to varying road conditions, a feature that is especially critical for long-haul adventures. One of the key upgrades in the CB650R's transition to a sport touring champion is its reworked ergonomics. The riding position has been optimized for comfort without sacrificing the bike's sporty character. A well-cushioned seat, combined with a slightly relaxed posture, minimizes rider fatigue on long journeys, while an adjustable windscreen effectively reduces wind blast at higher speeds. Integrated storage solutions further enhance its touring credentials, allowing riders to pack essentials for weekend getaways without compromising on the bike's sleek, modern aesthetic. Technological enhancements also play a significant role in positioning the CB650R as a leader in sport touring. A high-resolution digital instrument panel provides riders with real-time updates on speed, fuel consumption, and navigation, ensuring that essential information is always within reach. Advanced safety features, including cornering ABS and a refined traction control system, add an extra layer of confidence, enabling riders to tackle diverse terrains with assurance. Industry experts have taken notice of the CB650R's impressive transformation. Honda has managed to create a machine that is both spirited and practical, commented a renowned motorcycle analyst. Its dynamic performance combined with thoughtful touring enhancements makes the CB650R a standout in today's competitive market. This sentiment is echoed by riders who appreciate the bike's ability to deliver a thrilling ride while comfortably accommodating long-distance touring needs. With the latest iteration of the CB650R, Honda reaffirms its commitment to innovation and rider satisfaction. The motorcycle not only captivates with its performance and styling but also offers the versatility required for a variety of riding experiences. For those seeking a machine that bridges the gap between sporty performance and touring practicality, the Honda CB650R emerges as an ideal choice, a true game-changer in the world of sport touring motorcycles.